Ladies and gentlemen, no.
No. No, don't be mad at me.
So this is what love looks like.
I can't even.
I think he's going to the right side here, Frank. As the crow flies, yes, sir.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Yay!
He's a big, big boy. He's a very happy boy. He's a very sticky boy and a very pretty boy. He's a good boy, but he's all of his.
Bees were living in this trash bin and I was called to remove them. And it was another great day of saving the bees.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
Hey? Hey? Hey.
No. Hey.
Kill John Lennon! Kill John Lennon!
Kupa verme sakın bir şey. Kapıya bak.
Resmen yavrular bir irada gelir misin?
Huh?
Hayır.
This is perfect. 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 Perfect.
Give me your butt. Give me your butt.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Hello.
Sit. Ready. Bang. Bang. Good girl. Good.
Lizard, 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 lizard. Lizard.
Burn. Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
KO! Here's the cover. Hook of the line.
How you heard her, how scared she must have felt in those final moments. How she probably died.
У вас, детка, ходит школа, а я вообще на работу ходю. Правда, мама?
Bubbles, you couldn't be patient.
Nee, man.
Wilf, get off the cat.
The only proof of life investigators have.
Wilf, get your fat ass off the cat.
Well behaved.
You got eight. Let me see. Do you got the rock? No, get over here.
That's a big stick. You're gonna have to drop it, baby. You're gonna scratch my car. Ah, Lola. Lola.
Bro, what? Really?
She usually barks at this. Hello.
There's those dogs that are scared, and there's this dog that's a fucking maniac.
Oh yay! Tuang, leken, start. Do.
No, they just those goddamn dogs. I knew it was just a matter of time.
Boy. You're a good boy, Blueberry.
Okay, you can get a chomp. One chomp. Okay.
That'd be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even right?
为什么会这么搞笑？
No es un chico malo, solo quiere ser él mismo.
Oh my god.
Oh, you want me to play?
Anything off his financials? Mr. Hartley doesn't have any properties because all his time at work, credit cards and lots.
Come here. Whoa.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoomies are forever. My zoomies all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming.
Oh, we got another poopy.
Yes. Put this on.
Put her down on this. You can put her down on that.
Should you go down this one?
Yeah.
All right, got her some more celery. Here you go, Mama. What was that? What was that?
Can we do this for everybody's videos?
She just crashed into the thing.
No! Don't do that! Don't do... Don't.
Taylor. It's gonna lose. Oh, oh.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
Bring that tire. Come on. Bring that tire. Get that tire. Get that tire.
Beso, pero me muestra los dientes. A ver, un besito. Los dientes.
Penelope!
Show your teeth. Show your teeth, Pinky. Yeah!
Olha só isso, nem a tartaruga tem paz. Ele tá em cima da tartaruga e a tartaruga tava andando.
Your mouth. Hey, hold on. What's it? What? Why do you look at your bed? Look at what you're doing to your bed. Oh, I'll get some.
Sniffing the same fox.
Oh, no, be careful!
Move! Move! Wait. Because? Wait. Wait.
Wait. Wait. Okay.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Yell at her. Yell at her. April, you better get off that damn counter.
Reflect on why I'm here at this point in the process.
Clearly the trash can didn't work.
Look at this distinguished gentleman.
To get Man City up the field. This one was just ridiculous.
Why do you sit like that?
Fine.
You got pumpkins on your head. You do. Can you show me your booty?
And Piper is so look at Levi.
Draco.
Why are you running? I'm trying to give you a snack. Sit. Sit. Ow, you took it.
But look at you. You dumb.
Oh, Gator.
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take ya. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego.
Good morning to the cutie pie, looking very nice. Good morning to the cutie pie.